Hello everyone, my name is YOLO1Coin and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to talk about the trade I took and that's why it was a loss. As you know, I follow 3 trades fractal model, and if you're not familiar with his strategy, please find the link in the description. So this is the trade I took on Nasdaq, and the price actually took out the PM session high, made the C2 closure into a 1 hour fair value gap. After this price action, I was waiting for M5 changing state of delivery. The price made the M5 changing state of delivery inside the C2 that actually confirmed the sweep. After the sweep, I was waiting for the C2 candle and I wanted to see a new changing state of delivery. The price manipulated back to the POI and made a new M5 changing state of delivery, as you can see here. And I entered the very next candle, the retest of the M5 OB. I put my stop loss on the top of the body and I target lower prices, and I had these equal lows. Sadly, the price changed its mind and went higher and took me out. This is not a big deal because the loss is part of the game. The really important thing is that you have to have a proper risk management. With this trade, I only lost $120 with commissions. And I said, not really. Why? Because the trading is actually contains wins and losses. But the important thing to have a proper risk size and management. So that was the trade I had. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Until next.